So I'm sitting here in what appears to be a barber chair inside what appears to be a barber shop, but you wouldn't guess if I told you this is actually a classroom. I'm inside Edison Middle School, and this barbershop class is part of their DYAD program. I talked to one of the consultants about this program and why students here really enjoy it. The DYAD program at Edison Middle School gives students the chance to choose from a variety of specialty classes, and it's become a signature part of what makes the Edison experience so unique.
There's kickboxing and outside of school, that can be $300 a month for parents. And here we have it for free. So things like cosmetology, where students actually have to pay, and barber, things to learn that outside of school, we bring it to the campuses.
And one look around and you can see the school is a canvas of student art, many of them learning their skills in the school's DYAD art program. There's also a full-service barbershop, spin class, and much more, all designed to give students real-world skills and experiences.
They love my class, they love being on the bikes. We do warm-ups on the bikes, and then we play outside a sport.
It opens their mind to things that maybe they would not, they don't have access to this normally. So sometimes I've heard students that they really enjoy photography, and they're like, I want to edit YouTube videos, and it's really nice that they teach them how to do that.
And this year, Edison is marking some major milestones. Its 100th anniversary, a new A rating, and continued student success driven by outstanding teaching and innovative programs.
This is a great program that it's not in many districts. This is something very different. I remember when I was going to school, we just had PE and art. And to have all these things, our kids literally have $700 Canon cameras that they're able to utilize. They have touchscreen computers. I don't remember having any of that in our campus, and I really wish that I would have, because it's just such a great experience for them. They truly enjoy it, and it's so nice that we get to witness that.